The funniest English dialogue. English Language Laboratory. Learn English as English. Lesson 38. Follow the pictures and listen to the dialogue between Dixon and Duncan.
Hey, bartender, give me another shot. Whiskey and brandy never get sandy. Beer and vodka make you dandy. My porcupine and me, the poor bunny, never get friendly. You are my consumer and you consume your pride. Oh, my better half, I am your other half. My better half has become my bitter half. I am not afraid of my backbiter, my fire eater. I am the Lord and the master of my mansion. I have become the laughing stock in my office. They know I take off my shoes while I work at my table. Yesterday somebody had poured their glue into my black shoes. Three days ago, the throat of my leather shoes was eaten by our nasty dog. Hopeless week. There is a drunkard coming this way. Hi boss, are you on the way to the bar? Where are you going? Why boss, I am going between you two. Two? Yes boss, I see two. Drunkard idiot. How do you know my name? Yes, I am Duncan Idiot. Not Duncan Idiot. You are a drunkard idiot. Me? No? Yes, I am Duncan Idiot. Drunkard idiot? Yes, boss. I am Duncan Idiot. Are you mad? Yes, I had been madly in love with my old flame before I married. Are you crazy? Me? No. I still see two people and I am going between them. You fool! Me? No. My wife fools. You drunkard. Yes, I am Duncan. Pick my bag. Pick your bag? Me? No. I am no pickpocket. A real builder. Builder? No. I drink only whiskey. A real builder. What? Repeat. A real builder. Mind your language. My legs is calling me. I am going. Let's meet one day. If my bad legs comes with a hatchet, you will be in trouble.
real drunkard idiot.
Am I?
Aren't you afraid of me?
My bedless is calling. My bedless is calling. My bedless is calling.
Always mind your language. Please watch all our videos and learn English perfectly well. Thank you for watching this video.
Please subscribe my channel.